Here's a comparison of the NVX QBUS8P in the Kia EV6. I'll play a song while the amp is powered up, and then when I turn it off, or actually, yeah, when I turn off the vehicle, the amp will power down and you'll hear a difference.
Knocked his ass out and kissed him on the cheek. He fucked up just by thinking I was sweet. I run the city, might have thought I was some cleats. You never heard someone like this on the beat. Tutti fruity, the booty duty is jury duty. Moody foodies, jacuzzis is filled with bougie booties. This money don't know how to count it, man. I think.
All right, here I'm going to turn off the car, which, because the amp is powered by the 12-volt accessory, it will power down the amp.
I can't live in deep, man. I live at the funeral. I got no need for a shooter. I'm getting bigger,
Now there's no amp. So, no amp.
Lost control of a killer. I'm getting bigger. The whole label's drug dealers,
And now the amp's back on.
Feel that homie, they will come. If you turning up to save me some. Drop down to get
And amp off.
I don't care for boring people.
Pretty impressive for a little 8-inch sub. Like, I'm legit surprised. And by the way, that's with bass boost all the way off, all the way down. Gain is just a hair over halfway. And bass in here, I think, is turned up to 6. I had to turn it way down. I mean, it'll get way louder, but then at that point, you're just dealing with a whole bunch of distortion and it doesn't even sound good. Like, just too much. But for the money on this sub, like, I'm legit impressed.